The Land Transportation Franchising and Regulatory Board or LTFRB is considering a significant proposal, the imposition of a moratorium on the pilot study of motorcycle taxis as public transportation in Metro Manila. The intention of moratorium seeks to put a pause on the expansion of ride-hailing companies operating motorcycle taxis within the metropolitan area. According to LTFRB Executive Director Attorney Robert Peig, this suggestion will be brought forth and discussed during their upcoming board meeting, indicating a serious deliberation on the matter.
The proposition of Honorable Joa, Mr. Chair, I will I will subject the same to one of the agenda in the next board meeting, Mr. Chair.
Just earlier today, March 20, the House Committee on Metro Manila Development convened to discuss updates on the motorcycle taxi pilot study. During the hearing, Manila 3rd District Representative highlighted the suggestion for moratorium, echoing concerns raised by various groups regarding the safety of motorcycle taxis and their contribution to traffic congestion in Metro Manila.
Magkaroon tayo ng moratorium. Moratorium muna. Huwag na muna tayo magdagdag. Kung hindi man tayo makapagbawas, huwag tayo magdagdag dahil makakadagdag lang ito sa traffic congestion sa Metro Manila.
Advocacy groups for passenger welfare and transportation have voiced their apprehensions, citing recent reports of accidents involving motorcycle taxis and emphasizing the potential dangers they pose to passengers.
Magkaroon na muna tayo ng moratorium dito sa Metro Manila. Kasi kung papayagan natin ang papayagan na dumami, hindi natin masosolusyonan yung traffic, hindi natin masosolusyonan yung punot dulo ng aksidente.
Na nagkaroon po ng extension ng pag-aaral dahil kulang ang datos. Pero nagulat kami sa extension po, lumalabas, nagkaroon ng expansion. Magkaiba po ang extension at expansion. We are against expansion.
Inuupos po namin to sapagkat sobra-sobra na po ang traffic sa ating Kalakhang, Maynila. Itigil na po ito, tulungan niyo po kami na matigil na po ang pagdadagdag pa ng mga klase ng moda ng transportasyon sa ating bansa. Sobra-sobra kanya nagsisikip ang trapiko natin.
However, riders of motorcycle taxis refute these perceptions, asserting that they undergo rigorous training before being allowed to join ride-hailing companies. They maintain that they prioritize safety and responsibility in their operations.
Kompleto po ang training ng Joyride. Dumadaan po kami sa mga mahirap na training. Mayroon po kaming mga lahat po kompleto naman po. Bawal po sa amin ang mga magpatakbo ng mabilis.
Katunayan po nung nakaraan sa Mindanao, nasagi po ako ng 4 wheels kasi bigla siyang nagliko, hindi naman siya nag-signal, ganyan po. Para may mga pagkakataon po kasing ganun na bigla-bigla na lang kung lumiliko. Hindi po ako naniniwala na yung motor taxi dahil ng traffic kasi talaga naman pong traffic, mas nakaka-traffic pa po yung mga 4 wheels natin. Kasi yung motorcycle naman po, yung kahit maliit na espasyo lang yung bigay sa kanila, makakapasok pa po .
JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. We serve the people, we give glory to God.